What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. So today I'm going to talk about this affiliate marketing training that I bought and I'm making commissions with. So let me show you quickly some of my results. I'm going to click on payouts so you can check my latest payments. So check this out. For example, this month I made $154, $128, and I'm making commissions every single month. $77, $62. I'm making commissions every single month by promoting this product. The 72-hour challenge, which is the low ticket product, and Freedom Accelerator is the high ticket product. So these are affiliate marketing trainings that so it's basically the low ticket and the high ticket. So these are trainings that have the knowledge on how to start an affiliate business from complete scratch. But just let me check because I want to know if I have some comments, and we are ready to go, guys. Now let me scroll down. This company pays 40% commissions, and if I scroll down, these are my affiliate links, and if someone buys the product from any of these links, I can make a commission. So affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products, and we need to promote our affiliate links in the right way so we can succeed. And I'm going to show you the things that I learned from this training, the 72-hour challenge and Freedom Accelerator. So the 72-hour challenge, the price is $9, and it has these lessons: day number 1, day number 2, and day number 3. So on day number 1, Jonathan Montoya, who is the creator of this training, so he talks about what is affiliate marketing and some important things you need to know about why it's critical to build your own email list. So let me check if I can find, because having your own email list is critical, because once you have collected that information, so check this out. Having an email list is the ultimate leverage. So when you have your own email list, you can promote dozens of different products. You can promote high quality products, software. You can promote almost anything. That is why it's so important to promote high quality products. It's like having your own online ATM machine. It's having predictable income, and you can leverage that email list to promote any product. But how are you going to get an email from the marketplace, for example, from social media? So you need to create a lead magnet, or you can use one of Jonathan Montoya's lead magnet, or you can download, for example, there are website in which you can download ebooks, and you can give away those free ebooks in exchange for the email. Although it's better like giving away a free course, but you can give a free ebook, a free training. You can give as well, if you can, a free software, and those are all lead magnets, and you're going to give those lead magnets in exchange for the email. So that is how basically I'm growing my email list. That is how Jonathan Montoya's, so he utilized that strategy to build his massive email list. And basically, the more emails I collect, the more money I make. But it takes time to start getting commissions, and I want to speak about that, because when you are starting out, it's really hard to start making those commissions, guys. When I started to promote that product, so it took me a while to start getting the commissions, and the first commissions that I earned was like $3, $6, $9, so it wasn't like too much money. And then I started to see more results and start getting more commissions when you are building like this machine, right, in which you are promoting a main core offer and supporting offers. And if you can stay long enough, that machine is going to start giving you more and more and more commissions, but you need to put in the work. Now, that being said, day number 2 is how to build this automated sales machine or automated sales system. So basically, we need to build this system because this system is going to work 24/7. So basically, once we have built this system to promote a main core offer and then the supporting offers, we just need to start sending traffic to it. So on day number 2, Jonathan is going to explain how you can utilize his own software, the name is Funnel Freedom, and how you can clone his 7 figures done for you system if you want. But if you don't want to use that software, you can utilize, for example, System.io. That is a free funnel builder. But it's important, guys, to build this automated sales system because that is how you can collect your own leads, your own prospects, and you're going to have your own customers because those people are going to buy from you. Then you need to book a call with a business advisor so you can unlock day number 3. And on day number 3, you will learn how to some of the traffic methods. Once you have built that system, you need to send customer to it. And basically, Jonathan is going to explain some paid traffic strategies and free traffic strategies. For example, free traffic strategies is like creating content on YouTube, doing lives on TikTok, doing lives on Instagram, or utilizing your own Facebook account. And paying traffic strategies is like, for example, so he talks about only one paid traffic inside of day number 3. And if you want to get the upgrades, for example, how to get to 1,000 TikTok followers hack, this is because when you get to 1,000 followers on TikTok, that is when you can put your link of your funnel in the value. So that is why Jonathan Montoya can explain you this hack, or that is why he has this lesson. Then the proven viral shorts to copy as your own. He has a list of like a lot of videos, short videos, TikTok videos that you can utilize and like model, and you can upload then those videos on, for example, on your YouTube Shorts channel, on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And if you want, he has as well that done for you, so they can build the system for you. Now let's moving on to Freedom Accelerator, which is the high ticket product. So this is for people who want to scale their affiliate business, because this training has, as you can see, has a lot of traffic strategies. For example, how to create videos between 5 and 15 second short videos, how to create faceless artificial intelligence videos, how to utilize Instagram, Facebook, how to close sales by utilizing DMs. And this is, for me, one of the most powerful lessons that anyone can learn, how to utilize YouTube to drive traffic to your funnel. Because one of the most important things about YouTube is like when you create content, when you create videos, that is like you are like multiplying yourself. And the more videos you create, it's like having those sales. So you are multiplying yourself, and then it's like having it's like working you 24/7, something like that. And the more videos you create, it's going to help you to have more authority. It's going to help you gain more subscribers and also make commissions with affiliate marketing. But you need to know the right frameworks on how to grow your YouTube channel. So let me talk about something about YouTube, because when I started this YouTube channel, as you may know, I have an accent because English is not my native language. So I speak Spanish, but when I started to grow when I started to create content in English, so I struggled a lot to grow my YouTube channel. But with this framework, so those frameworks helping me to to 1,000 subscribers, which is super great because I have the consistency, the persistency, but I didn't have the method. I was just like recording content and writing random titles, which people was not searching at all. That is why I struggle a lot. I struggle like 1 year. But when you have the right frameworks, and then if you can add the persistence and the discipline, you are going to grow, guys. That is what it is. On phase number 3, how to increase conversions, I'm working on this phase myself, on phase number 3, because I'm creating my own bonus offer to see if I can increase my conversions, because I have a small email list. As you can see, I'm going to go to get response to show you that. So these are the emails that I have collected. As you can see, 1,385 emails, and today I have one new contact added to my email list. And it takes time, guys. It takes time to start collecting leads. It takes time to start getting commissions. But if you can stay long enough, you can succeed. And if you don't quit. And on phase number 4, I'm not even in this part yet, because this is how you can hire a team to run your entire YouTube channel. So once you have built that system, so I have the system, I have the products, the main core offer, the supporting offers. I have as well all that nurturing sequence, because I have Jonathan Montoya's 7 figures done for you system, and I have as well my own system inside of ClickFunnels and GetResponse. So I have the system already set up working for me. So right now I'm working on like creating content as much as I can to grow my YouTube channels and reach more people, to share my own story that is possible to make money with affiliate marketing if you can stay long enough, even if you don't manage 100% well a language. that is what I can tell you. I don't manage 100% the English language, but I'm making commissions by promoting English products. So that is why I'm growing a Spanish YouTube channel as well. That is more easy. It's more easy for me to create content on that language, right? And as well, I'm showing in my Spanish audience how I'm making commissions by promoting English products. I like to promote English products because, so I have seen that the products that are in English is like more, how do you say, like professional, because I was doing a little research about Spanish products, and like the funnels, some products, it doesn't have any funnels at all. Can you imagine that? So that is why I like to promote mainly English products, but if I can find a Spanish product, a good high quality Spanish products, I'm going to promote that product on my Spanish YouTube channel. So that's it for this video, guys. I have a free training. If you want to check it out, you can click the first link in the description. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also, turn on the notification bell. Talk to you soon, and God bless.